Water Gremlin is a company that's in White Bear Township in the zip code of 55110. As we see on many movies, oftentimes companies will dump chemicals and there are problems that result. The state of Minnesota recently has fined Water Gremlin for their dumping a chemical called TCE, trichloroethylene, and it's happened over the last decade or so, with the chemical going into the atmosphere, potentially into the water source. As a result of that, this chemical, as in many books, the medical literature, and for years and years, in fact, it's been banned in many states. Minnesota is now making a movement to ban it presently, causes significant health issues, including various types of cancers, respiratory problems, neurologic problems, and other issues. We've undertaken as a law firm is to try to do some justice to represent many of these injured victims. Trichloroethylene is a chemical, and like many chemicals, most people don't even know they're around it every day, but they're around it. It used to be used in dry cleaning. It was a chemical degreaser, used as a solvent, and it was used frequently for many years, but as its chemical components and as the toxicity really has come out into the open, and with its carcinogenic background and problem-causing issues, it has been outlawed in many states, including now there's a bill in front of Minnesota. It's not a good thing. You don't want this around you in your water. You don't want this around you in your air. You don't want this settling in your soil, and that's what we're here for. There's a map which was provided by the Department of Health during one of the public meetings that shows a circle as to where it is and a bullseye as to right around actually the plant itself. We've gotten calls within this general area, but due to the fact we don't know exactly where the chemical was spilled, we don't know exactly how far it reached into the water system, this map can be used as an immediate guide, but we're exploring beyond the map as well. That's why we're here. We're a law firm that does cancer and exposure litigation. Done it for almost 27 years. Doug, the senior partner, has done it for over 40, taken on Dow Chemical, many other big companies, and we represent victims. Believe me, this is a David and Goliath fight, and people need help. You don't want somebody in this fight where the company that did the dumping, having their experts and their knowledge, which they already have, step up on you as an individual, to be dealing with somebody on the other side that's just an injury lawyer. And I don't bash just injury lawyers on that, because injured people have their rights too, and it's a very important thing. But this is a different fight. Cancer is a different fight. Chemicals are a different fight. Experts are a different fight. People have said if you're going in for bone surgery, you don't want a cardiologist, and if you're going for heart surgery, you don't want a bone doctor. You want a lawyer who knows how to handle chemicals and knows how to handle exposure and knows how to handle these companies. That's me. We are a contingency fee law firm, and what that means is we have to collect something on the individual's behalf in order to get paid. There's no fee for photocopies. There's no fee for extraneous phone calls. We have to believe in your case and think there's a case there in order to get paid. So there's no out-of-pockets, and there's nothing that you have to put up front. We have to think that there's a viable case here, which obviously with all the people that have retained us in this already, we do, and we're going forward, and we don't collect something unless we get something for you.